Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Journey with Char. I'm going to come to you today with a beautiful breakfast, and we're going to use this guy. He is the showcase today, the Dash Heart Mini Waffle Maker, and we're going to make some waffles. So you guys stay tuned. This is going to be full of what is this, sausage and bacon, waffles, and some eggs, and we're going to make a little drink here. All right, so y'all stay tuned for that. Alright, you guys, so let's get started with this beautiful glass pitcher that I got from Target. Absolutely adorable. These are already rinsed. Okay. I'm going to throw some raspberries in there. Alright. And these are organic raspberries. And we're going to throw in some blueberries. And these are already rinsed as well. Alright, y'all. We're going to throw some blueberries. And these are organic blueberries. Alright. We're going to toss those in there. And now what we're going to do, we're going to toss in some pineapple juice. And this is your regular Dole's pineapple juice. Yummy, yummy, yummy for the tummy. We're going to pour some of that down in there. And look how pretty that is already looking. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to take this orange juice, and we're going to toss some orange juice up in here. Y'all, this is non-alcoholic beverage, but y'all, look how pretty that is already. That is absolutely beautiful. I love pineapples. I love raspberries and strawberries. So we're just going to toss this all in there. That's the orange juice. And we're going to mix it. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Lovely. So now what we're going to do, I had a little bit of the sparkling rose, Welch's sparkling rose grape juice. And we're going to toss some of that on up in there just to give a little bit of, what you call it. And then we can put a little bit of that in these two glasses when we're ready to pour. But y'all, this drink is ready. Ma, you want to taste it? Mommy's going to be the taste tester. She's gonna taste this drink. Y'all, look how pretty that is.
I love to taste.
The orange kind of took away the clear, but that's okay. We know that pineapple's in there. This is a breakfast drink. Absolutely delicious. It's got the fruit. Mommy's gonna taste it. Let me know how that tastes. Ooh, that's dripping everywhere. Mommy said it's delicious, y'all.
I guess they say everything you make, the mom likes it.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
But it is
absolutely amazing. All right, you guys, so we're going to put this to a side. I'm going to get everything set, and next up, we're going to make some bacon, eggs, and waffles. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, now it's time for the star of the show. This is the Dash, so let's get this open here. We got that drink over there already covered. And let's get this Dash open. I'm going to take this out the box, and I will show you guys what it looks like. I have to clean it, and we're going to be ready to make waffles. Stay tuned. I'm just going to put the pancake mix together, you guys, so let's get started. guys, so we are done with the waffles. Drizzle a little bit of chocolate on the strawberries because they're a little bitter, so we got that. We got the bacon. Now all we have to do, we got a little bit of syrup for whoever wants syrup. We're just gonna do some eggs, make some coffee. So y'all stay tuned. Meal almost done. All right, you guys, it is coffee time. Let's get this going. Okay. You guys, so that is the breakfast for mommy and I this morning, and this is the coffee, and it had, one of them came with a little froth, so we wanted to show that you can use the K-cup with the also the ground coffee. So yeah, it came with a froth, so we both have a little bit of that. We have some bacon here. We have these adorable waffles made with the Dash waffle maker, and just some strawberries with a little bit of chocolate, some syrup, 100% maple syrup. We got some eggs here, and now we're just going to pour this delicious juice. There's some of that fruit in there, and it's spilling some, but that's okay. And that's okay. Okay, you guys, so this completes our Valentine breakfast for mommy and me. I wanted to give her a little breakfast this morning just to show her how much I appreciate her and love her. And so you guys, if you have any ideas, please put more below. I love getting new ideas, but if I'm helping you with any ideas coming soon for any Valentine breakfast you may do anytime this week, I hope this helps. This was really quick, really easy, and that Dash waffle maker, let me tell y'all, it is amazing. And the little hearts come out perfect. So I absolutely enjoyed it. It was fun. And we have our 2 cups of coffee that I made in the Pioneer Woman coffee maker. Flex coffee maker, and we also have the Pioneer Woman goblets here with that delicious fruit juice, and just some maple syrup, 100%. And we have our bacon here, and just these little plates came from the Dollar Tree. And this napkin set came from IKEA, okay? And these two mugs came from TJ Maxx. Yes, TJ Maxx. This runner came from Home Goods. This love sign came from the 99-cent store. This came from the Target, and it was $10, good deal. This came from Home Goods, and this is the wearing Waffle little distributor, a little pourer. I'm just using it for syrup today. These flowers came from Dollar Tree. The hearts in the back came from Dollar Tree. The ribbon, Dollar Tree. The bucket, Michael's on sale. And the little hearts on the corner here, and the balloons that you guys see. All of these, including this pink spread, all came from the 99-cent store, along with this adorable garland. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this great idea of showing your loved ones and just serving a breakfast. Hey, if you're not doing it for yourself, you're doing it for your loved ones. It just feels good just to be loved. So thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Char. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will let you know, hey, Journey with Char has just uploaded a new video. So you guys stay tuned for more to come. Have a blessed week. Remember, trust God, keep Him first, and He'll always lead you in the right direction. Bon appetit. Bye-bye.